My character's name is Alice Ford, and I'm the mom of Brian. Isa akong kabugado dito na mayaman, and ayoko yung ginagawa ni Brian na pinipili niya maging artista.
It's very different from my previous role. Now I'm Cecile Tapang. Lahat ng opposite. Dati salbahe ako, ngayon mabait na po ako. Mabuting ina.
I'm the father of Barbie. To be honest with themselves, kailangan maramdaman mo yung eksena, maramdaman mo yung role mo, yung character mo. So, truthfulness is kumbaga, para sa akin, pinaka-basic yun.
I think it's cute. I'm 46 years old, and honestly, when you get to my age, you really do deal with teenage situations with your kids. Nakaka-relate ako. Kunyari, may anak ka na may gusto sa isang hindi mo naman gustong type na girl or whatever, di ba? Meron nangyayaring ganun talaga sa buhay, sa totoong buhay. So, cute siya kasi maraming makaka-relate sa show. And in that sense, I'm excited.
I felt like it was genius. Most of the fun stuff, like the funny moments, really happened behind the scenes. These are the things that you don't catch on cam.
Looking back, parang wala pa ako nakikita sa mga soap na gumawa ng, kumbaga yung parang sa pelikula, sa TV, parang ito lang ata yung pinaka-first to. So I guess the story is promising. Kaya po kayong abangan ang That's My Apple.
Starting na po kami ng January 25.